Kani gadega Pyrthei TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Shibenta jong kajing bodien haka ba pentrekam ya ka Swachh Bharat Mission ka project banwara ya kajing ko jing suba hakari India he barok away. Hennen kasngi ka lai poi trek unaitung ka kanhon sipaya da khapot ka Border Security Force Meghalaya Frontier ringkat kajing trelang bat kinong sosnong jukisnong ba pher hakapot bat ka Bangladesh bat kinong Pyrthei kubor kala palong ya kajing pengcoach nong ya ka saudong saukon habon teli ki Jaka hariwar jong kani garilom khasi bat jantia khamtam ha ki Jaka batuj bha kinong Nongjngohkai Pyrthei ya ka kanhon ban palong ya kani ki pengcoach nong lakhle do Deputy Inspector General ka BSF u UK Nayal kom nodal officer ya kani ki pengcoach ya kani kasngi haka balai dan langru do Inspector General jong ka Border Security Force Meghalaya Frontier UL Mohanty IPS lasdang ka khardap yorong yami hapdeng ka India bat kari Bangladesh lengba ka surak ka badan hapot dauki pada dian kani pat lapan bot ya kani ki pengcoach sahi ki Jaka baju khamtuat ki Nongjngohkai Pyrthei kom habor hills pat hakasnong riwai kasnong ka badan ya ka jiking jiri
मैडम थोड़ा सा एक बार कैसे From Government of Indian side, we have been tasked to generate this feeling that this is our prime duty to keep the area clean. And inspired by all these things, we started all these things, not only here, in many places. Being a nodal officer of this frontier for this Swachhata Abhiyan, we carried out this thing from that Sundargaon, the cleanest village, because it is not only in India, it is all over Asia. We started our this drive from this village, and we will continue these things other places also. One of our duty, or you can say task, to generate sense of security among the border population. To maintain this thing, we keep on doing all these kind of activities. This is one of that activities, and we are enjoying very good reputation with border people. And in lot many cases, they are coming to us. We are organizing various kind of sports, various kind of activities under civil action programs. We are imparting them training for the skill development trainings. We have trained so many young boys driving and stitching and other things also. So that's why they are very close to us.
Hakasnong riwai pat haswa ban palong gi jipukot ya kasaudong saukon jong kani kasnong lapan barngya suwa ya kinong songsnong kani kasnong bat kinong Nongjngohkai Pyrthei daga bapan I ya kasap jong kiksau balapan tebet dagi officer jong knat BSF ne ka dog show Very good. Java. Hadin kani part lapan buat sedang kejingelang bersipor ha community hall jong kasnong riwai. Ha balai don langru kinong sensar snong jong kani kasnong bat nakiwe di kisnong bamarjan. Hang ni lapan isua ya ke film balingkot sepang ketnan Border Security Force. Bat hadin kani layo ru kejingkren na IG ke BSF UL Mohanti IPS bat nakaliang kinong pathai kubor. Bat hakani jelang pasam pusnam ru ya kinong ilam jong kisnong baper ki badan ya kicika juak kai Pyrthei hakani ka Thaiñ riwar.
Input ini dalam memiliki juga biasa sama seperti input ini dari kefokusan sebab akan sebentar dari kasih dunia kita riwayat kita cakap juga pakai juga malam berapa waktu dibuat juga berapa juga dua jam kepada Khring sepuluh di dalam juga pakai dengan dengan saya kepada inisiatif juga biasa pakai berapa ini yang menjadikannya bah kemudian apa yang kita biasa pakai dalam negeri yang termen barang film-film itu hanya sekemat dibuat di Indonesia.
Because we want to learn something from them, how they are maintaining this village so clean. So we started our journey from here, and we'll take this message to other places also, so how the people of that place are doing all these things. And we'll try to motivate and educate our people also, not only in Meghalaya, wherever we are there. Suppose we go somewhere in Rajasthan, and then we will take this example of this village, and we'll motivate other people also to develop this kind of habits. Throughout the year we will do all these things. So till the time every day we are delivering this kind of lectures in border area. We are educating our kids also in schools. It is not one day so only. It will keep on going, and we will keep on educating people and telling them the benefits of all these things.